At Metten, the secret recipe is taking care of every single detail, especially raw materials. For hundreds of years, concrete has been made from cement, water, sand, and gravel. And we've questioned this basic recipe. It's taken 7 years of research and development, during which we found a new binding agent that allows us to do away with cement. And the most important thing is, this new binding agent releases much less CO2. As a first step, we were able to remove cement from the top layer of the concrete block. And now we're researching how to replace it entirely, because that would save even greater amounts of CO2. The cement in the concrete block is also responsible for unsightly lime efflorescence. This won't happen with EcoTerra technology. The smallest lime components of the cement often surround the color pigments, so the colors can appear paler. Without the cement, it means the colors remain brighter. To save valuable primary raw materials, such as basalt and greywakke, we used recycled concrete blocks in most of the production, old concrete blocks that have been recycled to be used again. So we're saving natural stone that's millions of years old. The new technology creates a very dense surface. You can see how the raindrops stay here on the surface. This shows us that the pores are closed, and that means much less dirt can enter the stone. This makes it easier to clean, and so cleaning costs are lower. Paved areas don't have to be sealed areas. When the joints are designed properly, it's possible for rainwater to seep away on the spot, which means the groundwater level rises and the natural water cycle in cities remains intact. You now have concrete blocks that sustainably improve our air quality, like photosynthesis in plants. Nitrogen oxides from the air are converted into mineral nitrates by photocatalytic components in the stone surface. And so, concrete can really help to make the air cleaner and life in city centers more livable. In 2012, we were one of the first concrete block plants in the world to have our CO2 balance measured by international standards. Since then, we've been working step by step to make our processes and products not just better, but more environmentally friendly.